figures of speech do provide emphasis, freshness, and clarity to our expression. So let's learn some of the most commonly used figures of speech. And first among them is simile. What is a simile? A simile is a literary device which is used to compare two different things that are not alike. It says that one thing is like or is as another thing. The two things are of a different kind and yet are alike in some significant way. For example, if I say the kid's school bag was as heavy as a bag full of rocks, I clearly know that the comparison is on weight. We can use two patterns when using of a simile. The first pattern is verb plus like a plus noun. I'll give you an example. The moon shone bright like a diamond in the night sky. So the verb used here is shone, like a, the noun is diamond. So the moon shone bright like a diamond in the night sky. The second pattern is as adjective as plus noun. Example, the girl's eyes were as black as coal. So here we are comparing the eyes of girls, the color of girl's eyes to the color of coal. So her eyes were as black as coal. So we can make out that we use words like or as to compare two different things. Look at this picture. Observe the girl here and notice her features. So we observe that the girl has blue eyes, blonde hair, and has a bright smile. Look at this picture too. We see the sun here. So if you observe the sun, it is round, it's yellow, and it is bright too. So if you compare the two pictures, the adjective that matches in these two pictures is bright. So we can say her smile is as bright as the sun, or her smile is bright like the sun. Let's look at some more examples. That memory blinked like a distant fog light in stormy sea. The space of text is taken from The Color of Water by James McBride. Here the memory is compared with the distant fog light. So let's look at some more example to get a better idea of what a simile is. He crept into the room as quiet as a mouse. So he crept into the room as quiet as a mouse. So here the adjective quiet is similar in both things. So he crept quietly like a mouse. So we can say he crept into the room as quiet as a mouse. Or you can say he crept into the room like a mouse. Next example, he is as stubborn as a mule. So here we are comparing the quality stubbornness in both the person and the mule. So we can say he is as stubborn as a mule. Next example, the water sparkled like stars in the sky. So the water is sparkling. Like if you look at the water, it looks like stars in the sky. So here you're comparing the sparkling of water with that of the sparkling of stars. So you say the water sparkle like stars in the sky. Next one, she's as busy as a bee. So here you're making a comparison. The adjective that you have used here to compare the two things is busy. So she's as busy as a bee. She's busy like a bee.